Okay, Zombie. You know how you wanted to see the pets? I'm gonna show you right now. So my fish is somewhere here.
He's dead.
Hey, he's dead? No, he's not. He's gonna be somewhere around there. Oh, he's right there. Can you see him? He's swimming around. He's right there. Isn't he so cute? And this is the food I feed him. It's right there. Oh, dang, is he stuck? Oh, water came on me. He's so cute. He's right there. It's like right under that rock. He's so cute. Okay. And now for the best part, I'm going to show you my birdies. Okay. Now here's the outside. Okay. Near the pool, you go to the whatever spa, and then you take over here. There's like a pathway. Okay, you go over there. I have. Just gonna keep going, and you're gonna see a little bird, and you're gonna see a baby bird too. Okay. Okay, look at that little birdie right there. Maybe you can see better from the other side. And can't you see the baby bird right there? Like right next to him? Can you see it's right next to him, the baby bird? See that little tiny beak? That's the bird. Like, see closely. Like right there. See that little tiny bird right there. There's a tiny little bird. Oh, it's so cute, like right next to it. Right there. See? I told you. I have 3 pets. Basically 2 because they're both birds. I have 3 pets. Basically 2. Doesn't matter. I have 3 pets.